Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields and Lucy Lehman, and today we're going to show you how to plant your allium bulbs. Now, allium bulbs are one of the most beautiful flowers that come up in spring, and they're super unique. They almost look like a Dr. Seuss flower. They've got these big, giant, poofy heads, and they look beautiful in flower arrangements, and they look beautiful in people's gardens, and they're super easy to grow. So we're going to show you how to get those bulbs in your ground today. If we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey. And I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you know whenever I post a brand new fun, free flower tip video. So let's dive right in, guys. So here it is fall, and fall's the best time to put your alliums in the ground. And what you're going to do is you're going to wait till temperatures cool off to about 40 to 50 degrees nighttime temperatures. And what you're going to do is you're going to come out to a sunny spot in your garden. You want to go down a depth that's about 2 to 3 times the size of a bulb. Now, these are the giant gladiator alliums, and these guys are so cool. They have tremendously large flower heads. And when someone has a gladiator allium in their garden, you know they have a gladiator allium in their garden because they're just tremendous. And so I'm going to plant this guy 2 to 3 times the depth in my soil. But I want to tell you about another variety of allium also. This guy is called Purple Sensation, and this is a little bit of a smaller size bulb. And this is the size allium flower that I use in a lot of the flower arrangements that go out the doors here at our Cranbury Fields Flower Farm. And so they have all different varieties of alliums. They come in different shades of purple. Some are brighter, some are a little more subtle. And know that they also come in, like I said, different size heads. So this is a smaller size head. And what you're going to do is you're going to prepare your soil. You're going to kind of chop up the soil. And a lot of times I'll just put my bulbs in the ground right in the soil because I have some really good soil here. I know it's got a lot of nutrients and it's very healthy. Sometimes, though, people like to add compost because their soil might need some extra help. So they'll add a little bit of compost to the hole that they dig. And you can kind of chop that up just so you have some healthier soil there if you need it. And then I'm going to plant my alliums in the ground. I'm going to put root side down. Now, the rule of thumb with most fall bulbs is that you plant them pointy side up and root side down. But the problem with alliums is that they don't have a point. So what you're going to do is look for the roots. Make sure the roots go into the soil. They go down. And it almost looks like a hard-boiled egg. So it's kind of like the rounded side goes up, the root goes down, and that's how we're going to situate these. Now, I know that my gladiator bulbs are a lot bigger and a lot taller than my Purple Sensation bulbs. So I'm going to have these big daddies go in the background, and I'm going to plant these guys pretty far apart. Once again, my hole, I want it to be 2 to 3 times the size of the bulb. So I'm going to dig this guy out just a little bit more. I'm going to put him in root side down. This guy in root side down, root side down, and then I'm going to put these guys in the front. And then, guys, what you can do is apply a light layer of mulch over the top. Don't overmulch because plants don't like when you overmulch. And make sure that you add some water. So if it's not going to rain in the next day or two after you put these in the ground, make sure that you add your own water because you want to give these guys the best possible chance of starting out and getting established in the ground before the winter sets in. And then come spring, you're going to have beautiful bulbs. One of the reasons why I love planting alliums is because they're part of the onion family, and most rodents stay away from these flowers. So when the rabbits and the deer are going crazy in your spring garden, a lot of times they'll avoid the alliums because they don't like that whole onion flavor. So that's a great plus. And once again, they look terrific in a vase. They have a great vase life. These guys will last sometimes like 9 or 10 days in a vase. So they have a terrific vase life if you're a gardener that likes to cut your flowers and make them into flower arrangements. So guys, thanks for joining Lucy and I in this video. And know that I made a playlist for you on fall planting tips. So on there are videos on how to plant your peony tubers, how to plant your double daffodils, and how to plant your tulips. And please let me know where you're viewing this from. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hey, flower tribes. Oh, I'm sorry. Your double daffodil. Oh my gosh. Something's wrong.